Welcome back to Cake Factory. Today we are showing you 15 stunning chocolate cake designs with gold accent. These cakes are rich, classy, and perfect for birthday, weddings, or any celebration that needs a little luxuries. Let's explore these golden delights. The first is classic chocolate in gold leaves. Simple, elegant, and luxurious. The next is dark chocolate and gold drip. Dark chocolate sponge with thick chocolate frosting and shiny metallic gold dripping flowing from the top. The next is gold sphere and chocolate tower cake, a tall layered cake with chocolate cream and gold spheres staked on top. Add macarons or gold spurs for extra details. The next is chocolate marble with gold vines, buttercream marble in dark and light chocolate shades with fine gold painted veins like looks like polished stone. The next is gold fault line chocolate cake. The next is gold splatter gunge cake. Astray any modern with a touch of glam. Gold rose with gold tips. Choco gold crown cake. A royal design for birthdays. Black and gold chocolate cake. Use black and gold buttercream with gold details, squares, and stars. Ideal for men's birthday or formal events. Chocolate geometric cake with gold. Add shape fondant panel, triangular or hexagonal in gold and chocolate for a bold designer look. The next is gold flake drip cake. Rich chocolate drip around the cake with the edible gold flake scatter on top and slides. Chocolate and gold bento cake. Small in size bento cake with pipe cream, mini macros, and soft touch of gold dust. Perfect for gifting. The next is Thai chocolate celebration cake. Ideal for big celebration. The next is gold top chocolate crunch cake. Decorate the top with Ferrero Rocher gold wrapper candies and chunks. It's rich and royal. The next is minimalist chocolate cake with gold name topper. A smooth chocolate finish, simple gold border, and golden name topper in the center, clean and beautiful. If you like any cake and want to create or bake at home, take a screenshot of it and bake it for your loved ones. These cakes are amazing and stunning with different shapes, sizes, colors, and themes. Chocolate bento cake is a perfect bake at home. You can create it easily because it's so simple and easy to bake. And that wraps our gallery of 15 chocolate and gold accent cake ideas perfect for making your celebration feel extra special. Which cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell for more stunning cake inspiration only on Cakes Factory. Always stay positive and make yourself feel proudy and see and the people around you uh, Always try to make them happy also, because if they were happy, you will be happy. So make your environment positive and happy. Stay tuned with us for our next amazing idea and decoration. Thank you for watching.